This turtle has just laid eggs. That's why he is so big, like they're standing up on his feet like that. Look at how green he is. Hey there, ma'am. Hey there, Miss Turtle. Look where she's going to jump off. Life is good if you're a turtle. You can just fall into it. Right, Turtle? Hello, Miss Turtle. Did you already lay your eggs? Whoa, look at that fish. I had no idea there were fish in here. Here comes the turtle. Look at that fish. Ah, safety, home. Oh, big turtle. Look, the fish is going to hit the turtle. Oh, turtle's going to go after the fish. Nope, they passed. Oh, look at them coming up to the surface. That's pretty deep, eh? Oh, that's mighty cool. Let's go across this side. See if he comes out on this side. It's mighty deep in here, isn't it? Is she going to come out this side, or is she just going to stay under there? What a beautiful place. And no bugs. Ooh, there's another big fish. Right down there. Oh, and another one. Mary and Billy, you gotta come and fish here. I had no idea there were fish in here. I'm not really a fisher person myself.